Hello, in this video, we shall discuss another commonly faced issue that occurs when sending mails in Analytics Cloud using the OCI SMTP server. This video is a continuation of our previous content on OCI SMTP server setup in OAC, which has been linked in the description below. In this follow-up, we will be addressing authorization issue within the context of email agent failures. This error typically occurs due to two main reasons. The first one being an invalid approved sender or missing policies for the SMTP user. The second reason is the mail rejection at the destination mail server. Let's start from the mail settings page in the OAC console. To address the first cause, which is the validity of the approved sender and the SMTP user, it is essential to confirm that the required IAM policies have been assigned for the user group within the compartment. This will enable the user to create and manage the approved sender and the credentials. Navigate to OCI Developer Services Email Delivery. The email address must be listed in the Approved Sender tab and should match the one entered in the mail settings in OAC console. Create a sender if it does not exist. The Create button will be enabled if the policies are set as mentioned earlier. Go to the Configuration tab and click on the Identity Interface link, which will take us to the SMTP credentials page of the logged in user. Each user is limited to a maximum of 2 SMTP credentials. If you intend to create beyond 2, either delete the unused one or generate the credentials for a different user having required permissions. Make sure to copy both the username and password before closing the box. Enter the noted details in the OAC mail settings. Regarding the second cause on ensuring the sender's authenticity for the recipient, we will use a concept called DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail. DKIM is an authentication framework that allows verification of the source and message content by mail transfer agents. This is typically done using an email header field that includes the DKIM signature, containing details such as the signing domain with which the recipient validates by matching the private-public key pair. Please consult the OCI documentation on DKIM and email domains for further information. To enable the DKIM for OCI SMTP host, go to Email Domains tab in the Email Delivery in OCI. Create an email domain. Create a DKIM record by entering a prefix in the DKIM selector field. Copy the CNAME and CNAME value to be added at the receiver's DNS. The signing will become active once the record is published at the DNS of the recipient mail server. This DKIM key is automatically associated with all approved senders in that sending domain. Once the setup is complete, the same can be validated using a command line such as dig. This is an example of the dig command to view the email content with the DKIM key. And this is an example of a DKIM signature in an email message. Let's go back to the OAC application and run the agent. The agent is successful as we have handled the two causes. This covers the topic on how to address the authorization failure when using OCI SMTP server for sending mails in OAC. Thanks for watching this video.